Esguerra.
Aliyah, isang tayo. Yan. Oh, Ismail.
Ninang Salin
Aliyah, dito tingin.
Esguerra. For Ninang Buena Esguerra to give a birthday wish and 7 million to our birthday celebrant, Aliyah. Okay. Since Ninang Buena is not around, may I call in Ninong Aga de Guzman to conclude our 7th bill ceremony.
Ay, wala pa na shooting. Wala daw Ninong Aga.
Okay, so that concludes our 7th bill ceremony. Now, last but definitely not the least, a simple hope and light in the darkness of life.
Aliyah, dito
A
tingin.
reminder that in times of despair, we have God and our loved ones to guide her
Up,
on her path.
Dito lahat, dito lahat.
It is with much honor that I present to you our 7 candles. To be on my side as I call your names and send your birthday wish to our birthday celebrant, starting up with Edstein Imperial. He will be giving the first candle to Aliyah, our celebrant for today. Once again, Edstein Imperial.
Lola Betty.
Calling all the names of the 7 candles participants: Edstein Imperial, JP Castillo, CJ Andrade, Buboy Familial, Dave Bayoneto, Justin Hines, and Basti Atienza. Justin Hines po.
Ayun. Sige, tabi ka. Dito ka, Einstein.
Okay.
Smile, 1, 2.
Dito tingin, dito tingin. Okay.
Boy. 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 Aliyah, dito tingin. Aliyah. Smile. Boy, dito tingin. Aliyah, dito lang.
Okay, dito sa akin.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Sino ka the camera? You're going to blow those candles. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so that concludes our 7 candle ceremony. Okay, everyone, you are all invited to stand as we sing a happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant. Okay, everybody, we are going to sing
Aliyah.
happy birthday to you.
Hawak lang.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tita Vicky, rinig ka.
Once again, happy birthday, Aliyah. Make a wish before you blow the candle.
Wait.
Abot ba?
Aliyah. Smile.
Tita Vicky, lapit ka.
Okay. Of course, Aliyah will be blowing the cake together with Tita Becky. Okay. Picture muna doon.
Yung mga batang alam mo makakangkailan. Anak! Tayo! Picture. Diyan. Ano yan ito?
To say something, mag-message ka. How do you feel right now? At nararamdaman mo ngayon? Now that you are celebrating your 7th birthday. Ha? Wait lang po, ayun. May inihanda palang message ang ating birthday celebrant, okay? Everyone, you are entitled to listen as Aliyah makes her birthday message, okay?
Thank you everyone for coming to my birthday
Pababa mo. Pababa mo.
For your unconditional love and support. I love you so much. Wish ko po dumating ang time na magkasama-sama na tayo. I miss you so much. To all my sponsors, Long Dolly, Ninang Karen, Ninang Ben, Ninang Seth, Tito Nixon, Mama Olen, Ninang Pa, Tita Nenden, Mama Ada, and Tita
Wish ko lang. Sa likod.
Kahit lagi niyo ko kulit lang na love ko. I love you very much. Pamamahal ko, dada at inay, thank you po sa lahat ng sacrifice ninyo sa amin. Kuya, mamahal sa mahal. Napanood ko for alagaan kayo ni Kuya hanggang sa pagkanda ninyo. Promise, thank you po ulit sa pagkanda sa pamilya ko sa agad sa inyo.
The ceremony is over, but the kiddie pool party is just
Life is rising up, surging forth in all directions. Every little buttercup is reaching out to find connections. Every blade of grass will touch the sunlight. The rain will touch the ground, growing greener than it was before. The bees are droning by. Spider silk is softly spinning out of cloud.
Tita May, Mary, Ben, may problema po kayo? Wala po. Itari namin. Palapan naman pa naman ang aso para po sa mga kapuso. Okay, nakikita niyo po itong dalawang sinusunahan? Tapatan po natin. Wow. Alam po natin, wala po mga bata, busy po sila sa panliligo. Tabal! Anong gagawin? I-shoot po natin, pero hindi po natin iahagis. Tatakbo po tayo sa silya, itatakbo natin ang bola. Isipin na lang po natin, ito ang bola. Okay? Ayan. Isipin na lang po natin ito ang bola. Ma'am, yan po ang bola. Bola square. Okay? Ayan. Number 1, dribble. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 2. Takbo sa unahan. Ayan, atras po tayo. Wala po lalabas dito sa tweet na to. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 3. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 4. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 5. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Tapos sinali, dalawang kamay, nag-iwot. Dalawang kamay, dribble, yeah! Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 6. Dribble, 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 dribble. Oh, ganun na. Sabi dribble, sabi natin. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Shoot the ball! Ayan. Ganun ang gagawin mo natin. Sample pa lang po yun. Ang mga ka-first, 5 points, siya po ang mananalo. Wala po lalang ito. Okay? Back to number 1. Back to number 1. Ready na tayo, ha? Ready? Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 6. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 3.
sila. Ang makaka-first, 5 points siya po ang mananalo. Okay? Back to number 1. Ready? Dribble, 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 exhibition, 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 pass number 5. Dribble, 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 pass number 3. Number 1. Number 4. Basta kayo, tita.
Ang gagawin.
Ang gawin wala pa! Dribble, 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 pass number 6. 5, 3, 2. Ano ba? Pagkasigaw! Ayan. Tandaan na po ang number po ninyo para di po kayo malito. Number 3. Dribble, 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 pass number 4. 5, 6, 1. Okay, nanalo ang mga kapuso. Bakit? Itinagdag kayo. Sabi ko, shoot. Sige, back to number 1. Back to number 1, ma. Para di po kayo mapagod, akala po bola. Siraan daruan, itinagdag baga. Ayan. Wow! Ang nasa unahan, ang kamay lagay po sa baywang. Ayan. Tatakbo po tayo sa silya. Iikot. Tapos babalik. Pagbalik po natin, kukuha po tayo ng isa. Pag kumuha po ng isa, hawak po sa baywang ng nasa unahan. Magiging 2. Anong kukuha rin? Ay, di ang partner mo! Tatakbo po kayo, iikot, babalik, kukuha ng isa, hawak sa baywang. Tatakbo, iikot, babalik, kukuha sa magiging 3. Hanggang naubos po kayo lahat. Ready? Ready? What's up there? Mas mahirap pala mga itong panaglaro. Magaling pa ang mga bata. Ang mga bata nakikinig. Ayaw, hindi. Nang papatong nanunulang. Sinong nanalo? Balay ko sa inyo. Sino may sabing kayo? Sino nanalo? Sino po nanalo? Kaliwa. Itong kaliwa. Sila po nanalo. Yes. Sila po italo kasi ng bataw. Ayan. Score natin ay 2-1. Okay.